Good morning friends. In the following video we will be drawing this house using graphics.h library in C. So in the following house we have done this house in using paint. So first what you have to do is we have to go to the view button. We have to click on rulers and grid lines so that we could see the pixel size along these lines, the scale, basically the scale, so that we could add these as the coordinates for our C program. Now let's minimize this button. Now here is a set of things which I have written so that it will be easy for us to do while we code. So these are the pixels for each of the things. So for this is for the roof part, this is for the door part, this is for the left window part, and this one below is for the right window. So now let's go to the C program. Now in the following program, what we could see is that first we have included the package graphics.h, and then we have come to the main function, and then we have initialized the G driver. This is the basic, these two lines are basic for making the graphical program. So int G driver equal to detect Gmod, error code, and then you have the init graph ampersand G driver, Gmod, and G turbo. So again, as we go down, we could see the different commands for the lines that are required in this. So the first one we will be going with. So first we will be seeing the roof wall. We have done it as 400 pixels, 190 pixels and 300 pixels. This is based on what we have got from the paint one. So I'll show you that. Yeah, so here the x-axis starts from 400, so we have kept here 400, and then this one ends at 220, so we have kept the, like, in the sense the 220 is the y-axis and 300 for the x-axis. So this comes in the format mx, my, x1, y1, x2, y2. So in the x1 part you have 400, and in the y1 part you have 190. I meant the mistake. It's actually 90, but in the program we have done it properly. So yeah. So it's 90, and then in the y part it's 300, in the x part, and 220. So again, if you see the next part of the line, now in the next part of the line you can see that we are getting into the point here. So it starts from 300 and it extends up to 500 pixels. So what we have done it, we have given the x1, x2 coordinate as 300 and 500, and the y coordinate remains the same, that is 220. And again, to do this part of the triangle, what we have to do is we have to change the x as well as the y coordinates. That is, from 500 we have to draw a line up to 400. So the x1, x2 is 500 and 400 respectively, and the y axis we will have it as 220 to 90. And in similarly we go on with the pixel part as x1 and x2, the following thing, and we conclude that's a house. So if you compile this first, let's go to the compile option. Yeah, compile, and now if you run it, you'll be able to see this image, which is very much similar to what we have done in paint. Thank you.